Most people will miss the biggest AI business shift of 2026. It won't be about chatbots or trendy apps. It will be about invisible AI businesses printing steady profit. What if the best AI model isn't a startup at all? What if it's a simple service powered by automation? What if you're already late without realizing it? Which AI business models will actually survive next year? Which ones will quietly replace entire job categories? And which ones can normal people build without coding? Stay with this, because one model near the end is still wide open. AI in 2026 will reward operators, not dreamers. The winners will sell outcomes, not technology. Let's break down the business models that will dominate. First, understand what changed. AI is no longer rare. AI is now cheap, fast, and everywhere. So the advantage is no longer access. The advantage is packaging AI into profit. Model 1 is AI niche content engines. Not YouTube channels only. Full content systems for businesses. Local law firms need weekly videos. Dentists need social posts every day. Real estate agents need listing reels instantly. You build a content machine using ChatGPT. Scripts, captions, newsletters, ads, all automated. Tools like Pictory AI turn text into videos fast. Clients pay monthly for consistent output. This becomes recurring revenue. Model 2 is AI customer support replacement. Every business hates support tickets. AI agents now handle most questions. Small companies can't build them alone. You set up systems using Zendesk AI. Or use Intercom AI for live chat automation. You charge setup plus a monthly management fee. Businesses save payroll instantly. That makes pricing easy. Model 3 is AI sales prospecting agencies. Cold outreach is changing fast. I can research leads in seconds. I can write personalized emails at scale. You use Apollo for lead lists. You use HubSpot AI to track follow-ups. The services book meetings, not emails. Companies pay for pipeline growth. Model 4 is AI compliance and document review. Regulation is growing in healthcare and finance. Firms drown in paperwork. I can scan contracts and flag risks. Tools like DocuSign AI help streamline approvals. You offer compliance review packages. This is boring, but extremely profitable. Model 5 is AI-powered micro-SaaS for industries. Forget building general apps. Build tiny tools for one job role. A scheduling AI for roofing companies. A quoting AI for HVAC contractors. A claims AI for insurance brokers. You build with Bubble and OpenAI API. Charge per seat each month. Small niche software wins big. Model 6 is AI training for workplaces. Most employees still don't know how to use AI. Companies waste licenses with no adoption. You sell workshops and playbooks. Teach teams how to use Microsoft Copilot. Train managers on AI workflows. This becomes corporate consulting income. Model 7 is AI personalization for e-commerce. Online stores want higher conversion rates. I can predict what buyers want next. You set up personalization using Shopify Magic. Add AI product recommendations. Automate abandoned cart recovery. Brands pay because revenue increases quickly. Model 8 is AI bookkeeping and finance automation. Small businesses still use messy spreadsheets. I can categorize expenses instantly. Tools like QuickBooks AI reduce manual work. You offer done-for-you finance automation. This is sticky recurring service revenue. Model 9 is AI video ad production studios. Ads will be produced at insane speed in 2026. Businesses need creatives every week. You generate scripts with Jasper. You produce visuals with Runway AI. You edit at scale with Descript. Sell ad bundles to local and online brands. Model 10 is AI recruiting and hiring pipelines. Hiring is broken for most companies. I can screen resumes faster. I can score candidates fairly. You implement systems using workable AI. Charge per hire or monthly retainer. Recruiting agencies will be AI first. Model 11 is AI workflow automation consulting. Most companies use 10 disconnected tools. AI connects them. You automate tasks with Zapier AI. Invoices, onboarding, reporting, follow-ups. The value is saved hours every week. Companies happily pay for efficiency. Model 12 is AI health and wellness operations. Not medical advice businesses. Operational businesses around wellness. AI scheduling, coaching reminders, meal planning. Gyms and wellness studios need retention systems. You build AI engagement flows. Recurring revenue comes from memberships. Model 13 is AI localization and translation services. The US market is multilingual. Brands want Spanish content instantly. AI translation is good, but needs oversight. You use DeepL for high-quality translation. Offer full localization packages for businesses. Model 14 is AI real estate intelligence. Agents need better deal analysis. I can evaluate neighborhoods and pricing trends. You build dashboards with Notion AI. Sell subscription insights to investors. Model 15 is AI cybersecurity monitoring. Attacks are increasing with AI hackers. Small firms are vulnerable. AI threat detection is becoming standard. You partner with platforms like CrowdStrike AI. Offer monitoring and response services. This is high-ticket recurring revenue. Model 16 is AI education product businesses. People want skills, not degrees. I can personalize learning paths. You build micro-courses with Kajabi. Add AI tutoring support. Sell memberships instead of one-time courses. Model 17 is AI voice and audio businesses. Podcasts are exploding in niche markets. AI voice tools speed production. You use 11 labs for voice generation. You offer podcast editing and publishing packages. Recurring clients keep you stable. Model 18 is AI brand monitoring and PR. Companies fear viral problems. I can track mentions instantly. You set up monitoring with BrandWatch. Offer reputation management retainers. Model 19 is AI-powered legal ops for small firms. Lawyers waste time on drafting. AI speeds research and templates. Tools like Harvey AI are changing law workflows. You sell implementation and training. High trust, high profit. Model 20 is AI subscription communities. People want curated insights, not endless feeds. You run a private AI business trends group. Use Circle for community hosting. Deliver weekly frameworks and tools. Subscriptions compound over time. Quick reminder here. If you want weekly AI business models like this, subscribe and turn on notifications now. Because 2026 will move faster than most people expect. Now, the hidden rule behind all these models. The best AI businesses are not built on AI. They are built on distribution. Clients, audience, partnerships, niches. AI is the engine, not the product. Pick industries with money and urgency. Healthcare, legal, finance, local services. Avoid saturated generic AI apps. Sell boring solutions with clear ROI. Charge monthly whenever possible. Automation creates margin. Retention creates wealth. In 2026, agencies will look like software. Software will look like services. The line will blur completely. Your job is to be the operator. Someone who installs AI into real business problems. The next year will reward speed and focus. Not complexity. Not hype. Just execution. The best model is the one you can start this month. One client becomes 3. 3 becomes a system. A system becomes predictable income. AI is removing friction from business creation. But it won't remove competition. The winners will build trust and distribution early. Keep watching this space closely. Next week, I'll break down the easiest AI model to start with under $500. Make sure you're subscribed. Tap bell so you don't miss what's coming next. This channel is weekly for staying ahead of the AI economy. The tools links are given in the description.